I'm Les Wilkinson with the law firm of Wilkinson Magruder. I'm here with my partner Andy Magruder to talk about topics of interest to you in the law of Social Security disability.
Les, let me ask you, what is the treating physician rule?
Well, the treating physician's rule has been around many years, and basically it tells the Social Security Administration and administrative law judges what weight to give to the opinions of the treating physician. They got different types of opinions. For instance, they'll give great weight if the evidence supports the treating physician's opinion. In other words, they might have to accept the treating physician's opinion if his records support what he says. Now, Andy, is the treating physician rule being changed?
It is, Les. For claims that are initially filed after March 27th, 2017, okay, this doesn't apply to hearings that happen after that date, but for claims that are filed after that date, again, March 27th, 2017, Social Security has changed the rules so that the treating physician rule will no longer apply. So in other words, if a doctor has treated a patient for, say, 20 years and has seen him every single month, and they fill out a form saying that, my patient can only stand 2 hours in an 8-hour day, and can only sit 2 hours in an 8-hour day, and can only lift 10 pounds, and has problems using their hand, and they give other opinions, medical opinions regarding what they can and cannot do, Social Security is not going to give that treating physician's opinion any more weight than, say, the medical opinion of the Social Security doctor who just reviews the records one time and has never ever seen that person in his life.
I can understand that. I can understand the Social Security's reluctance to accept the conclusion of a treating physician or any physician that this person is disabled and not able to work. Well, what about the opinion of the doctor that says this person can only lift 10 pounds, can only sit 20 minutes at a time, only stand 20 minutes of a time? Is that included in the treating physician's opinion?
Well, again, for claims that are new claims that are filed after March 27th, 2017, Social Security will not give those opinions of the doctors any additional weight. So essentially, they've done away with the treating physician rule for claims filed after March 27, 2017. And clearly, along with a lot of other changes that they have made that we're discussing here today, these changes are made to make it much more difficult for claimants to be found disabled.
And there must be hundreds of thousands of cases in the pipeline and pending as we speak. So if those claims predecease March the 1st, then they're going to use the old treating physician's rule.
Unless, it's really a shame with this change in the treating physician rule, because a patient is no longer going to get the benefit of having a physician who has treated them for 10, 20 years or longer give an expert opinion in terms of what they can and cannot do. Instead, their own doctor's opinion is going to be equal in weight to that of a Social Security doctor who's only reviewed the medical records but never treated the claimant or seen the claimant in his life.
Well, Andy, I guess the complications this poses for everybody, especially for lawyers representing clients in Social Security disability cases, as well as for the claimants themselves, it behooves them to get a hold of somebody that knows what's going on and can help weave through this process, because without somebody who's knowledgeable and trained and willing to help you, you as a claimant don't have a chance. So stay tuned for some more little topics we're going to discuss.